What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, man, ATX the Great, man, back here with another video, another unboxing video. As you see, I got 4 things here that I got in here today. It's going to be 3 shirts and the belt that I just acquired from my boy Todd. Shouts out to Todd. Once again, great guy to do business with. Another belt that he looked out for me on. It wasn't really a belt that I was looking to get, but you know, because I know that on WWE Shop that they got a better belt than the one I'm about to show you guys. But I just wanted to add it to my collection, so you know, or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it is. Probably do the shirts first. I'm gonna just knock it all out. I know everybody is getting ready to watch Raw tonight. I know I am, so I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. I'm gonna come back with a video probably later on in the week to talk about SummerSlam, or I can kind of just brief y'all through it. For me personally, it was okay. We do have a new WWE World Heavyweight Champion in Brock Lesnar. I'm happy, but then I'm like, what, you know, and the only reason, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I mean, it's cool to see, you know, Brock with the belt again, but the thing that pisses me off about it, because I'm like, who in the fuck are they gonna get to challenge him for it? I don't know, like, you know, Randy Orton's probably fit to make a face turn just to let you guys know. I mean, because I think that's probably the only guy that, I mean, who's gonna fight this motherfucker, you know, like, so I don't know. But anyway, that has nothing to do with this right here, so let me go ahead on and open up the first, and then we'll do what we do. So y'all guys know how I do. Give me a countdown. Alright, y'all guys, these are the shirts that I picked up. I picked these up off of eBay for some really good prices, man. So I'm going to go through these real quick. I'll hold that one to last. You see here, got my boy Triple H, The Game. This is a Top Rope edition shirt. They're very nice shirt, man. Guys, I don't really normally show shirts. I know y'all guys don't want to really probably see this shit, but you know, it all came in today, so that's why I'm showing this to you guys. So, and yeah, I got a very good price for this shirt right here, man. It's not really one I was like hunting for, but you know, I seen the price, and it was, you know, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. This one right here, Randy Orton, another Top Rope edition shirt. RKO, and okay, guys, sorry about that. My iPad cut off. Anyway, I showed you guys the other 2 shirts. Here's the third one I got right here. It is a big logo Under Armour shirt here. A compression shirt. This one right here was the one I wanted the most. I actually seen this shirt a while back, and I had to go ahead and get it. I don't know if you can find it on the sites, because I know a lot of people may be interested in a shirt like this. I don't know if you can find it on the Under Armour site or whatnot. I just was lucky enough to stumble across this thing on eBay. So I'm not sure if they still have these available, if you can get them from WWE Shop. I don't know. I haven't never seen it on there, so you know, I don't know. So yep, those are my 3 shirts. Though that one, the Randy Orton Top Rope, and the Triple H Top Rope. So now, I know you guys want to see what's in the box, the belt box. So we're going to go ahead and get that thing cracking. So, give me one more goddamn countdown. Thank you, Todd. Woo! Y'all can see now, the belt is done. I re-stoned it myself, and that's why it took a while for this vid to get put up. I was waiting for the stones to come in so I could re-stone it. And as you can see, I added the Ric Flair nameplate that I did with Jose. Once again, it's WCW Big Gold that I picked up from Todd. And once again, man, thanks. Thanks again. And I will only pull it out my WWE Big Gold. I do have another video coming, so y'all guys can look out another pickup that I got. I didn't really say too much about the pickup, but that's because I was waiting for stones for that one too, so we'll put that together and show you guys too. So thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's your boy ATX the Great Man.
Everybody's got a price. Everybody's gonna pay.